My name is Stacy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a beef stroganoff. This is a timeless, satisfying meal. It's kind of perfect for when you're craving something that's just warm and comforting. We're going to start out with melting 1/4 cup of butter, and then we're going to brown in 1.5 pounds of beef strips. We're going to let this keep browning until the meat is about halfway cooked through. Okay, so when your meat is halfway cooked through, we're going to add 1 medium-sized onion that's been sliced and 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms. And we're also going to add in 1 chopped clove of garlic. And we'll just continue cooking and stirring until the meat is all the way done and the vegetables are tender. Feel free to substitute some ground beef instead of the beef strips if that's what's on sale. Okay, so while this is still cooking, I'm going to go ahead and mix the next batch of ingredients that are going to go in here to flavor it and to thicken it. So we'll put this aside for a moment, and then we're going to take 1.5 cups of beef broth, and we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1/4 cup of white flour. We're just going to whisk this together and set it aside until the meat and vegetables are cooked. All right, so everything is now cooked all the way through, and we're just going to add our liquid. I'm just going to let this cook for about 1 more minute so it can thicken up and get nice and bubbly and ready to go for the last ingredient. All right, everything looks like it's ready to go. We're going to add in our last ingredient, which is 1.5 cups of sour cream. We're going to give this a good stir, and then we will serve it over some egg noodles. You can use rice instead or even mashed potatoes. So everything looks good. I'm just going to serve this up. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.